welcome back to another one of my videos. I am so excited to share with you my office tour. Hey, if you are new to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to be a part of the Almond Summers family. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell because I really need you to be notified every time I upload a new video. I'm actually going to start off by showing you guys some of my old office designs or madness, because there's really no design here. I just kind of put stuff in the office and it was basically a catch-all space and I put no thought into decorating. I kind of just put some stuff together. So over the years my style has no style, but kind of sort of evolved. I didn't really put any effort into it until about 2018, as you can see here. And then, well, okay, maybe not. And for some reason, I just could not settle on any kind of artwork for this room. I kept putting stuff up and taking it down and I just couldn't figure it out. And for the record, I just want to put this out there. I am not a professional decorator. I only do what comes natural to me. And what came natural in 2019 was my love for French vintage decor. I decided to go with one theme because if you noticed in my bedroom video, I was French with a twist of modern. Well, I decided to narrow it down a lot and go with just one style for 2019. So I settled on vintage French, neoclassical, 19th century with a couple of antique pieces. I just want to really branch out and challenge myself with decorating. With that being said, my walls had no molding whatsoever. So I really went to town in this room with adding molding, chair rail, picture frame molding. I actually framed this closet door, you guys. I've never framed anything in my life. This is like my first time. And this is my first time doing molding up at the top of the ceiling too. Because in my living room, it wasn't flush to the ceiling. It was different. It was like boxed out. It was a completely different thing. And now I'm like addicted to hanging molding on the walls. So I think I'm gonna pretty much hang molding everywhere in this place. Plus I'm addicted to this nail gun. It is just so much power that shoots out with that nail that it's like an adrenaline rush. It's kind of cool. So if you are the slightest bit curious as to how I added this molding to my ceiling wall, framed out all of this stuff, then you should actually check out the next video that's coming up. It will have all the details of how I hung the molding. But anyway, let's move along, you guys, on to how I decorated it. I got these candle sconces from Etsy. I found them on Etsy, and you know how Etsy is. Sometimes they have that one item, so I'm not sure if they have any more, but these I've seen everywhere. So if you're looking to get these on your own, you can pretty much find these pretty much everywhere. I've seen them forever. But for the candles, I don't know if I'm really gonna burn anything in there or just probably get some LED candles that have a remote, because I think that would probably be more realistic. For now, I just have it for decorative purposes only. But these candle sconces weren't my first choice. The first choice I wanted were so cute, but I couldn't really afford them. So these were second runner-up. You guys know me by now that I totally pay attention to detail, and I am so bummed that my tiebacks for my curtains did not arrive for this video. So that just means I'm gonna have to make another video and show you my new tiebacks, right? Yep. But I got these curtains, you guys. They're so soft, velvet curtains, and they're so elegant and long and heavy. I purchased these on Amazon. What I'm gonna do is, for pretty much most of the items I have in my office, I will definitely leave a link in the description area so that you guys can quickly find the link and click it so that you don't have to search around the internet for it. Just so this video doesn't get too long, I'm gonna skip over a few things. The two vases on the side, those are Tahari vases. I got those from Home Goods, and the topiaries, I purchased those from Amazon. The middle vase, that's so freaking adorable, you guys, with the moss balls. I love this vase. It's so cute. And you know what? I'm not a blue kind of a person when it comes to decor, but I really like this for some reason. I'm feeling it for spring, summer kind of thing. I really like it. Purchased that one actually from Craigslist. So that was actually secondhand. Yes, it was. I'm not too embarrassed to say that some of the pieces that I really like are like old school. And keeping up with the romance theme, I love decorating like romantic style themes with all my decor. And this statue is, as well as the other one, this is Venus of Arlis and the other one is Venus de Milo, is the goddess of love and represents all of that. So I think it's a perfect fit for my decor. I purchased this as well as the other one from Amazon. And you guys, I purchased this mirror from Ballard Designs. I will leave a link in the description area, but let me tell you, this mirror really opened up my office. It just makes it feel so much bigger. Not only that, the sunlight is my friend in the morning, in the daytime, and I just love being able to just look in there, and it's just such a clean feeling. I just love this mirror, you guys. But it's really heavy to hang with just one person. I really have to hurry up and find me a husband because I really need to get some help. I'm gonna put him to work as soon as I meet him. And lastly, up on this side is the Credenza. I purchased that from eBay. But the co-star of the room is this fabulous antique chair that I purchased on Craigslist. And you know what? Let me tell you guys something. Purchasing stuff on Craigslist is really like creepy to me because you never know who you end up meeting. But I'm so glad I went and I purchased this chair. When the lady dropped the price on the website, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm going to get this chair. I am so going to get this chair. I love this chair, you guys. It really does make a statement in the room. I haven't decided if I'm going to keep it here yet or put it in my bedroom, but for now, I really like this piece, and I like I said before, I'm truly trying to get into some antiques and feel them out. And this is an antique. Of course, no one's going to be able to sit in here without a throw, and it's probably totally impractical. But I don't really have that many people in my office anyway, so I think it's going to stay and it'll work out. But the detail is just fabulous, and I've always wanted a French settee in my office, so I got one and I'm really excited. It's so cute. It just really adds to the whole vintage antique look that I was going for. Moving right along to my weakness, I wanted this white rug for so long, you guys. You have no idea how long I wanted this rug, and it was in my shopping cart wish list forever. But I went back and got this rug because I was like, this is the rug I wanted. It is like a bazillion dollars, but I could not help it. I wanted a rug that was a low profile rug that did not have shag, because I do not like shag rugs at all. They remind me of, like, I don't know, some old school vintage that I just don't like. And it also reminds me of a bathroom rug. Most shag rugs remind me of a bathroom rug. And it was hard to find a white rug that wasn't shag unless it was $1 million. Okay, $500,000. And so I purchased this rug. And I will leave a link for it because it's so pretty, you guys. It's stain resistant. Yes, did I say stain resistant? So that's what made it so expensive. But yeah, when this rug came, I was just skeptical because I wanted it to be white, and it's a little off-white, but you can't really tell when the day. It's gorgeous. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous rug. I also purchased a chair mat so that the wheels from the chair don't damage the rug, but I think I'm going to get a bigger one because I like to roll around on it. So, but yeah, it's so beautiful, you guys. Speaking of rolling around, I roll around in this big, beautiful chair for a queen. I purchased this chair on Wayfair many, many years ago, as you saw from the time lapse of my old videos. It has these cute little rhinestones in the back tufted area of the chair, and I put this gorgeous pillow from Home Goods in the chair that has the cursive French writing on it, and it just melts my heart, along with the throw that is a throw. I actually purchased that throw from Home Depot. Go figure, right? Yeah. Next up, you guys, is this huge, ginormous mirror. I actually purchased this on Amazon a few years ago, and it was a little bit damaged when it arrived, so they actually just gave it to me for free. How about that, right? I'm not sure if I'm actually going to keep it, though, because I've had it for many years, and I'm thinking I have something in mind that I really, really want for this space. But for now, I just think it really works with the actual decor, the vintage decor. But like I said, I definitely think I'm going to upgrade this. But yeah. Speaking of ginormous, now my desk is super huge. It's actually AKA a kitchen table that I flipped into a desk. But this is part of my glam modern days when I was really into modern furniture. But the desk that I really want is on my wish list. And when I get it, I'll swap it out and you guys will see it. But for now, this one serves its purpose. Anyway, I won't go into detail with everything that's on this desk. I probably do a desk tour in another video. But how cute is this phone holder? It's actually an easel, but I actually made it a phone holder. It's so cute though, right? It should be a phone holder. There's a business there. I'm telling you, I'm always thinking of businesses. I love this drone. I got it for my birthday from my fabulous minions. Hey, Sam and Sarah. I love you guys. Now, I do want to touch on these elegant gold faux painted ceramic figurines. Oh my gosh, when I first saw them, I had to have them. When I first saw them, they were actually white, but the guy wanted $235 for them, and it was way out of my price range. So I kept searching, and I found these online made by the same artist for only $39. So I scored on that one. But they are so adorable. Now we're gonna move over to the last 2 or 3 items before this video gets too long, because it's long already. I want to share with you guys this beautiful table that I actually purchased on Craigslist as well. Yes, Craigslist got a lot of my coins in this room. It's a vintage table that it was actually a really weird color when I first got it. It was like a mud color with it was like dirty mop watercolor, if you know what that color is. That's exactly the color it was, and it was just, I was like not having it. So I spruced it up a little bit with some, a different color, and made it a little more bronzy, goldy, antique-y, and the marble was already on top of it when I saw it, so I just kept it. And I can't believe I got it for so cheap. So yeah, it wasn't expensive at all. It was like under $200. Go figure, right? Yeah. And this artwork, you guys, I purchased from Ross. Yes, I got it from Ross, but I also updated it a little bit. I added a little more white to the painting because it was a little too gray for me, and I just needed more white to pop out. So I touched it up a bit and put my little almond touches on it. Oh, and on the table, I couldn't decide if I wanted to have the books here or not. I liked it without the books, then I liked it with the books, but either way, I like the books. And the books, by the way, are books that actually mean something to me. I wanted to stray away from having Vogue or Tom Ford books, or books that just mean nothing to me anymore. So I'm just gonna do away with that from now on and just do books that I really, really like, and books that really, really mean something to me. So like these books right here, The Royal Palace and the History of Hollywood Couture and in Film, really interesting books. And this beautiful Marie Antoinette bust, can I say, this is just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous detail. I just had to have it. I purchased it on Etsy. I'm not sure if they have any more, but that's what it was. And I would leave a link, but I don't think they have any more. It was only one. So, but it is gorgeous. The detail, oh my Lord, it's just so pretty. And those beautiful peach roses came from Hobby Lobby. The shell planter that it's in, that one was a home goods purchase. I'm not actually going to leave that there, but I couldn't find anything that I really wanted yet. But I didn't want to delay the video just because of it. So I just put that there for now because it was just really cute. So last but not least, you guys, is the chandelier. And I'm still up in the air about this chandelier, but this is the Maria Teresa chandelier. I absolutely love the medallion in the ceiling. I think I might just faux paint it as well as the cap that goes with the chandelier. Or I might just swap the chandelier out completely, but I do like the Swarovski. Wait, I got this. Swarovski. The Swarovski crystals that are on the chandelier. It took forever to put it together. When I did put it together, and the crystals, I had to buy an extra box in order to make it look super full like this. But it is so gorgeous, you guys, especially with the lights off at night. You just feel so beautiful, and I'm always down for an original classic chandelier, and that's what this is. I know there's like a whole bunch of chandeliers that are out right now that are just like, you know, whimsical and stuff, but there's nothing like a classic chandelier, and that's what this one is. And the crystals at night, it just makes you feel so elegant and beautiful. So I really like this chandelier a lot. It's a big size, so I got the 30 by 24 just in case you guys want to know, and I'll just leave a link in the description area for you. All right, you guys, that is it. That is the end of this video. It is the end. I can't believe we made it to the end. I love you guys for sticking with me through 15 minutes because that is the longest video I think I've ever done. And that's it, you guys. I do hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and keep the conversation going. Leave me a comment down in the comment section if I've inspired you at all. Don't forget to share this video with your friends because you know what? Sharing is caring. It is. Okay, I think I'm done for today. I'm gonna go because I have got to get me some food now. I'm really hungry, you guys. Oh, you know what? Get your butts over to Absolutely Not Perfect and follow me on my vlog channel. You're gonna miss out.